Hello, welcome back to Voice the Boy. Now today I have got a Mountfield lawnmower which was given to me over the weekend. It's been in their garden for about 4 years. The deck ain't too bad and they're saying it just won't start, and they said if you want it just come and get it. So the deck is reasonably good, so let's go and have a look. Right, okay, this is the one. It's a Mountfield HP454. The deck ain't too bad. Doesn't have a lot of rust on it. Nothing's hardly any rust on it really, because it's been left outside. No holes in it whatsoever. Yeah, push mower. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the spark plug out. I'm going to put some carb spray in there and just to see if it fires. Alright, okay, so let's put this in, get this out. Let's put your glasses on so I can see what I'm doing as well. I don't recognise the spark plug on it. Workshop Essentials EX20. It doesn't look like it's too bad. Really, gap looks fine enough to me, so we'll spray some carb cleaner in there. That'll be enough. And we'll see if we've got a spark. Right, okay, what it was doing, I did try it again as well afterwards. As soon as I took it off a choke, it wanted to cut out. I put some more car spray into the spark plug and got it started. The fill cap is broken, so I put my hand on the top of the flap and it was running, but it's running really rough, so that's going to be another problem for it. Right, I found myself another fuel cap, so we'll leave that one to the side for a minute. I'm going to stick some fuel in it, and because it's got no fuel in it, so it was only running off the carburettor, so it does work when you're spraying stuff into the head. So we'll stick some on here. Hopefully it hasn't got a leak. Put enough in there. Yeah, that's plenty. Not the right cap for it, but it should do, because it tightens down. That should be right. Well, as you saw, it is starting with the new fuel cap on and fuel in, but it is hunting and surging, so I will have to take the carburettor off, give it a clean, and hopefully that's all it is should be done on this one to get this working. I took the spark plug out and I put it into another one, put another one in it I should say, and the engine, it still starts, but it is surging, and so it's not the spark plug problem. So I will take this apart. I think the carburettor will need a clean. These are 10mm bolts. take these out. one's dropped on the floor. You pull that out. This all needs clean. Well, the carburettor on top here is very, very dirty. Gasket ain't too bad, even around the fuel pipe. So the whole engine inside there does need a clean. So all you do with these is you take that one off of there. Hopefully that doesn't come out, and just twist it over. Oops, don't want to break that gasket. That's it. And then all you do is unclip this. I'm going to clamp this and then take the carburettor off. The forceps I normally use at the moment, they're sitting on another model, so hopefully this will do the job. I don't want to break it too much, just and take this out if I can get it off, of course. Hopefully that ain't leaking. No, that's fine. Right, got to be careful with that gasket. I don't want to. It's still got fuel inside it, so we take this off with a 10. Oh, that weren't even tight at all yet. So that could also be. There's loads of fuel coming out of here now. It's going a bit different colour now. Right, so there's a diff. Shows you all the rubbish that's inside that. So if I take this float off, as you can see, there's loads of loose debris inside. Get right, loads of loose debris there inside, so that is going to need a good clean. I will take the jets out now. We'll take the pin out and the float. The needle seat, it looks very good. So I'll take this needle jet out and see if it's okay. It's coming out. Did hit the camera, didn't it? Well, that one seems to be stuck inside, so give it a tap. Well, it doesn't want to come out, so but what you can do to get these out is inside there. If you get a small Allen key, you can just see the top of the brass jet inside there, so we need to get that out. I'm going to use it. There we are. Did you hear that go clink? And there it is. Didn't need the Allen key, so I'm just going to check this up to the light and see if there's any blockages in. Right, okay, I have put it up to the light. Hopefully you can see this, but the first one and the third hole there, there's no light going through it, and also on the third one there and the third one there. So I'll get some carb cleaner into that and give it a good spray up. Right, so all you're doing is just piercing those through. Hopefully you can get through to the other side. Give it a good clean. I'm going to do every single one. Right, so I'm going to do all those, give it a blowout, and then I'll come back. Okay, so those are all, it's all nice and clean now. So we'll put that, see what I mean by the I don't even know how a little bit of that carburettor spray has got onto that and it has stretched it, so I need to get another one. Put the little needle seat in. Push the float on and put the pin in so it goes into the float. Like so, and then we'll put the cover on and do it up. Almost forgot to put the jet needle back in as well, so we'll give the screwdriver a clean. Make sure it's nice and tight. Don't over tighten it because it's only brass, you don't want to break the bits inside. So to put this back, it's just a reverse way really. We'll put this in there first, because this is the awkward one. This is for the choke. No, that one's come out, so it goes onto there like that. That has come off, so I will have to replace that. Get this back onto there. Hopefully we can get this back on. Putting this back in the same way. You get the breather pipe on there and then lift it up to there, and just to start these off, and get the small one in there as well. In. Just double check, yeah, okay. I gave the air filter a clean out, so we put that into there, just put the cover on and let's go and try it. So there you have done that one. All that really needed was the new fuel cap and the carburettor giving a good old clean, and that's got that one back and working. I have sorted out that little bit of spluttering you probably heard when I restarted it up. That's been sorted out. I've given it a good old clean and it's come out really good, and now I'm going to be moving that one on to the next person, so let's hope they enjoy it as much as I did fixing it. And anyway, so that is all there is on this one. I do appreciate very much people watching my channel and all my videos, and I'm happy to say that I've now been monetized as well, and that is a really good thing. So I appreciate once again everyone who has subscribed to me and have been watching my videos and all. So that's all there is really in this one. Until next time, please, but before I go, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget, hit that grey bell, and you'll be notified when I've got a new video up. So really, until next time, cheerio.